Hey, so if you want to create a clean and professional resume using Google Slides in 2026, this guide will walk you through everything step by step so you can design a resume that looks modern and stands out. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account, email, and password. Once you're inside, create a new blank presentation to start building your resume. Now, set up the slide size. Go to File, then Page Setup, and choose a custom size similar to an A4 or letter page. This ensures your resume looks correct when downloaded or printed. Next, choose a simple layout. A resume should be clean and easy to read. Use a white background, clear fonts, and enough spacing so information doesn't feel crowded. Avoid heavy colors or flashy designs. Start adding your content. At the top, include your name, job title, and contact information. Make your name slightly larger so it stands out. Keep everything aligned neatly. Below that, add sections like summary, skills, experience, and education. Use short bullet points to describe your responsibilities and achievements. Focus on results instead of long explanations. Yeah, clarity really matters here. Use shapes or lines to separate sections visually. This helps organize content and makes the resume easier to scan quickly, especially for recruiters. Keep fonts consistent. Use one font for headings and one for body text. Make sure text size is readable and professional across the entire slide. Before finishing, review alignment, spacing, and spelling. Switch to presentation or zoom view to make sure everything looks balanced. When done, go to File. Download and export your resume as a PDF. This keeps formatting intact and makes it easy to share or upload for job applications. And that's it. By using clean layouts, clear sections, and simple design, you can create a professional resume using Google Slides. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah.